Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will talking about how to use camera with Raspberry Pi. Right now, I am using Raspberry Pi 4B, but the method will be same in another Raspberry Pi. To connect your Raspberry Pi with camera, you need a 15-pin ribbon cable, and it also called as FFC cable, means flexible flat cable. As you see, there is one side with 15 silver pins and another side with blue belt. Now open the camera port of the Raspberry Pi. It's simple. There is a to tap on side of port. Just grab it and pull it up. As you see, pull it up. And now connect your Pi ribbon cable with your Raspberry Pi. It's just too simple. Just take it and insert it in your port and push your ports down, and that's it. Make sure that the blue side is always facing to the tabs, and silver are connected with Raspberry Pi. Now we connect our Raspberry Pi with our computer. Now if you have separate monitor, that's great, but if you don't have any separate monitor, you can also use remote desktop like me. First of all, we need to enable camera module in our Raspberry Pi. So go to terminal and write command sudo raspi -config and hit enter. Then go to interface option and go to camera and click on and enter and OK. And each take reboot. So please reboot your device. Now to use our camera module, we need some dependencies. Sudo apt-get install python-picamera. And install it. I already installed Python picamera. Now create a file named camera.py. Okay, so create file. And import picamera. And import time. And then create a variable named camera and it's equal to picamera.picamera. Dot picamera. And then we need to show our image, so we write camera.capture dot and then save and close the file. So Ctrl X for save, press Y, yes, enter. Okay. Now run our Python file by command python 3 and what is your file name. Okay, so python 3 and my file name is camera.py. .py and hit enter. Oh, maybe there is spelling mistake in my code, sorry. So open the file again, and what is the spelling mistake? CF cap. Oh sorry, I am not giving any name of my capture photo, so make sure you give your name to photo. So right now I am giving my capture photo name as a xyz.jpg. Don't forget to give name of your capture photo. Now save the file and exit. So Ctrl X. Yes, I want to save, enter. Okay, now run the previous code again, python 3, and what is your file name? xyz. So python 3 and camera.py. Okay, and hit enter. Okay, as you can see our code is running. Sorry, as you can see our code is complete. Now we can see our file. As you can see, now there is no error in our code. So now we find our image in Raspberry Pi. So where is my image? Yeah, there is it. I give the name XYZ. Okay, so open it. But there is one more problem. The image is flipped, so we need to flip it back again. So what we can do, just open the file again by nano camera.py and flip the camera. Okay, so we write camera dot vflip equal to true. What will it do? It's rotate our image. Okay, and Ctrl X. Yes, I want to save, and hit enter, and run it again. Hit enter. Okay, sorry. Ctrl X and run it again. Hit enter. Now there is my image. It's overwriting my image. So now check it. Oh, the image is rotated. Sorry for background. Now what we gonna do? We capture a short video with our Raspberry Pi. So go back to our file. What's the file name? Nano camera.py, and we want a video feed with our camera. So what we can do, we just comment out the capture. So comment it out, and we start our video recording from here. So write camera dot start recording and give the file name what you want. Okay, so start recording, and I will give the name exe dot, give the extension H264. Okay, now what I want to record till 5 seconds, so I give 5 seconds delay to my Raspberry Pi camera. So time dot as sleep, time dot sleep, and I want 5-second clip. Okay, and then we stop our Raspberry Pi camera by just camera dot stop recording. So camera dot stop recording. Okay, and now save and exit the file. Yes, I want to save and hit enter. Now run our file with Python 3 and camera.py. Okay, hit enter. Maybe there is another spelling mistake. Just open file. Now what is the problem here? Oh, I am not right. There is no G in my spelling. Sorry. Okay, Control X. Yes, enter. Now run our file and there is also problem in name. Sorry, sleep spelling. Sorry for that again. SEEP. Control X. Yes, enter. Now we can run it. Please. And maybe our video is recorded. Yes, complete. Now go to our file and find the, oh, there it is. There is our video. Yeah, that's it. So that is all about how to click photos and video with our Raspberry Pi camera module. If you need more tutorial about it, just comment it below, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in our comment section, and you can also follow me on my social media accounts. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time. Yo.